Okay, in this question, we're going to graph a line, or draw a line that's been given to us. So we've got two lines given to us. We've got this one here, x plus 3y equals 6, that's a line. And we have this one here, x plus y equals 4. They're two different lines. So let's write them over here. So we've got x plus 3y equals 6. And then the other one is x, oops, stick a marker, x plus y equals 4. Now, how do we do it? How can I draw a line like this one when I don't have any coordinates? So like normally I'm told, you know, a coordinate 5, 6 and 2, 1. So 5, 6, 5 up to 6 is here, and 2 up to 1 is here. So I'm able to draw a line, yeah, like that, joining the two dots. But I haven't been given any coordinates. I've just been given the equation. This is the equation, of course. And I haven't been given any coordinates. So I need to find coordinates. I need to make coordinates. And to do that, I follow a very simple step. Step 1. Let x be equal to 0. So in my equation, x plus 3y equals 6, I say 0 plus 3y equals 6. Okay, simple as that. Now step 2, there's another step. Solve what y is. So you notice from what I have just done, 0 plus 3y equals 6. But I can get rid of that 0, because 0 is 0. It doesn't mean anything. I'm left with 3y equals 6. Now, I'm looking for what y is. So I need to get y on its own. So I need to divide by 3, both sides. And why do I do that? Because by doing that, that 3 will cancel with that 3. And now y is on its own. And 6 divided by 3 is 2. Now, why did I do all that? Well, I now have a coordinate. I now have a point. I know what the x coordinate is. It's 0. And I know what the y coordinate is. It's 2. So there is a coordinate. I can now use that to draw the line. So let's find where 0, 2 is. 0 up to 2 is there. There's my first point on the line. But of course, what do you need to draw a line? You need 2 points. So I need to do it again. I'm going to delete this line for a minute. I need to get another point. And how I do that is I let y equal to 0. So earlier on I let x equal to 0, but now I let y equal to 0. This will get me another coordinate. So my equation is x plus 3y equals 6. If I let y equal to 0, it'll be x plus 3 and 0 in there, because I'm letting y equal to 0. So that means x plus, I'll do that in black so there's no confusion. Oops. X plus, now 3 by 0 is 0. And if there's a 0 in it, just get rid of it. That means x is equal to 6. So now I have another coordinate. My x coordinate is 6, and remember the x coordinate always comes first. So 6. And my y coordinate is 0. 6, 0. So there's my second point. 6, 0. So I go over to my little xy axis and I find where 6, 0 is. Well, 6 on the x-axis and 0 on the y-axis is here. So 6, 0 is right there. So now I have my line. There. I could have zoomed in a bit more to make that a bit better. Maybe I still will. So I'll actually do it officially. From there to there. There. That is my first equation. The one that I highlighted green in the question. That one there. Now I have to do the exact same thing for the other equation. X plus y equals 4. So I'll do that here. X plus y equals 4. This is the kind of purple equation that I highlighted from the question. I'm going to do the exact same thing that I did to the other equation. So I'm going to get step 1, I'm going to let x equal 0. Let x equal 0. So my equation was x plus y equals 4. So it means 0 plus y equals 4. And of course when there's 0 you just get rid of it. So y equals 4. So now I have my first coordinate. The x coordinate is 0 and the y coordinate is 4. Now repeat that, because that's just my first coordinate. There, 0, 4. Where would that be? It's going to be around about here somewhere, 0, 4. Now I need to do it again, except this time let y equal to 0. So first time I let x equal to 0, now I'm letting y equal to 0. So my equation was x plus y equals 4. Now I'm going to say x plus 0 equals 4. That means x is equal to 4. So now I have my second coordinate. The x coordinate is 4, that always comes first, and the y coordinate is 0. So it's 4, 0. Now I'm going to find that on this 4, 0. Where's 4, 0? 4, 0 is right here. Now draw a line between those two black dots. That looks okay. Now, the question asked, find the point of intersection. Okay, the point of intersection. That means where the lines meet. Where do the lines meet? Well, they meet here. Right there where they intersect or cross one another. So that's the point of intersection. Now what is that point? What is that point right there? Well, it's going to be two brackets, two numbers. So the first one is always taken from the x-axis and the second one always taken from the y-axis. So where is that line there, that point along the x-axis, along this axis here? It's at 3. And where is it along the y-axis? It's at 1. So that's the point of intersection. Okay, that's that question done. And there's another one to try. But that's basically how you do it. You start off on the first equation by letting y equal 0. Let's get a color here now, a nice color pink. You let x equal 0. and you solve. That will give you a coordinate. Then you let y equal 0, and you solve it. That will give you a second coordinate. And when you have two coordinates, you can draw a line. We did it over there. It's highlighted in green. You do the same for the other equation that's given in the question. You let x equal to 0, and you solve it, and that will give you a coordinate. You do the same then again, but this time you let y equal to 0, and you solve it, and you get a coordinate. And when you have two coordinates, you have a line as well. And the two lines, wherever they meet, that's the point of intersection. Okay, I hope that video helped.